All right, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a project in Atom, okay? So if I click on open a project, in Atom you can open individual files or a whole folder as a project. Opening a folder will add a tree view to the editor where you can browse all the files. So let's click on open a project. And what this is going to do is this is going to go to, I'm going to click on the desktop. And what you're going to get is we can create a new folder here, and we'll call this 01 project sample. Okay, I'll create that, and then we'll hit open. And now the project is open. Okay, so now we can see with our tree view here all the files that would display here. Okay, now obviously there's no files to see, but that's okay. We're learning about how to open a project. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to close a project. So if I right click, I can remove the project folder. Okay, now I'm back to where I started. Okay, and what I can do also is if I go to the desktop, I can delete this folder. Okay, and I'm going to empty my trash pan real quick here, just so that it's clean. Okay, so that's how you open a project in Atom. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.